Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your cooking routine. This 9-in-1 pressure cooker review will show you how it replaces multiple kitchen gadgets, saving you time and space. From pressure cooking and slow cooking to steaming, sautéing, and even making yogurt, this one pot truly does it all. With 15 smart, customizable programs, dinner is just a button away, making meal prep effortless for any home cook. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking and easy cleanup every single time. Unlike basic models, the Duo Plus offers advanced safety features and precise control, setting it apart as a premium kitchen essential. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance of 2025, check the Amazon link in the description for the current price. It's perfect for busy individuals or families who want delicious, home-cooked meals without the fuss. Ready to upgrade your cooking? Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Click that Amazon link now. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my absolute top recommendation for 2025.